Hello, everyone. How's it going? And is this a first for eBay? Well, it's a first for us for quite a while. We've actually just hit a whole month. Yes, a whole month of sales every day. We've not had any no sale day. Now, is that because we suddenly, I don't know, changed all our stock, our sourcing, or is it the time of the year that people are buying? Leave your comments below. What do you think has contributed to this? Is it us and our charming personality, especially me, who's updated all our listings, followed all the advice from everywhere, and we are certainly grabbing the sales? Or have we done something different? Have eBay changed something? Has visibility gone equal to everyone now? I don't know. I can't actually put any real thing on it. I'm thinking maybe it's seasonal, but we don't sell seasonal items. So we don't sell Christmas items moving up to Christmas. We sell the same stuff that we sell day in, day out, pretty much all year round. And we have hit this sales streak. We've not had a day without sales. Have eBay got their act together behind the scenes? Is it all sorted out? Has visibility stabilized for everyone? Are they not tinkering at the moment? Have we suddenly gone up in the visibility rankings behind the scenes? Some secret AI robot has said, yeah, we'll show your stuff. I don't know. What do you think? I am genuinely interested to find out what you think. Are you experiencing the same? Have sales turned around? Are people coming back to eBay? And that's a big thing. Are people switching back to eBay? And the confidence is there. Has it normalized? Has the mass exodus of sellers after the changes to the buyer protection fee, the simple delivery, have people just left? And that leaves there's more buyers for everybody else. I don't know what the figures are. If you do know the figures, leave them below. It'd be interesting to see that. What do you think is contributing, or is it just a lucky streak? I've done a video tomorrow. This time tomorrow night, I'll be going, no sales today. I don't know, and it's quite interesting because overall we're selling we sold less on this quarter, something like 13-14% less in monetary value, but we've sold every day. We've sold at least something every day, and that's why I wanted to do this video, because this has not happened since around about February this year, and we're now in November 2025 for all you watching it as a rerun on Dave. And it's interesting to see that. So I'd love to know your experiences. Are you have your views, your sales, have they stabilized, or are they still rock bottom and no views? Because there's lots of things in 2026 that I'm going to be trying on eBay. I just want to get the general mood of people who, the few, probably a couple of dozen of you that watch my videos regularly, and I am much appreciative of that. And I will be doing a shout out in New Year, because I have been keeping a track of all the people that have thumbs up, liked, commented throughout 2025, and it is really, really much appreciated. So where do we go from now? What is it that people want in 2026? And I'm going to make some videos about them. Well, I'm going to make some videos anyway, so you're not going to get away with me vanishing into the ether. And it's interesting. So really, this was just an update for me to say that we've hit the first month where we've had a sale every day, and that has not happened for 6 months. We've always had dead days or vanished off the as if we've sort of, I don't know, been turned off by eBay. Anyway, if you would like to keep abreast of all the eBay updates from me, please feel free to subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you all, and we'll see you in the next video.